Hi friends, it's Mariz. In this quick video, I will show you how to create a packed bubble chart in Tableau. A fun and visual way to highlight differences between categories. So let's jump right in. First, let's connect to our data. So let's go over to the data source tab and select our data source file. So in this example, I'm using the sales category data. You can also download the same file from the description and then click open. And now our data has been loaded and we're ready to go. So let's head over to sheet 1. Now let's create our bubble chart. First, I will drag sales into the rows shelf. Next, I will drag category into the columns shelf. So by default, you will see this standard bar chart, but we want to switch to a packed bubble chart. So on the top right side of Tableau, you will see this show me panel and then select packed bubbles. And now our chart is showing a collection of bubbles, each one representing a category and size per sales. Now to make this chart easier to understand, let's add some labels. I will drag sales into the label mark under the marks card. And to get a better view of everything, I will just click entire view. And that's it! You've just created a packed bubble chart in Tableau. Check out my other tutorials to learn more about Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.